I generally believe that customers tell you what direction to take your business. And this is why with CNCKing.com we have so many different diversity of machines. And a really good example of that, I had a project a couple years ago. It was fiber laser etching panels. And we have a Trotec SP400 Flex with a fiber laser on it. And basically it was around $65,000 project. And it was just fiber laser etching panels over and over again. Just tons of panels. And the customer was complaining to me that, they're having a lot of problems with their suppliers who was cutting the panels. And I told them, well, if I could cut the panels, and laser etch them and bring them you the finished product, how would you like that? And they said that would be awesome, because then, we'd save so many headaches. So basically just that doubled the value of the project right off the bat. So I had to wait a couple months, because what a lot of people don't realize is when you order a CNC machine, it's not like Walmart. You don't just go grab it off the shelf. They have to actually make it for you. So I told the customer, give me a couple months, try to push the project back, or whatever you have to do. Give me a couple months to get the machine. I've already ordered, here's the purchase order. Everything's moving forward. I'm just waiting for the machine. And they're kind enough to say, yeah, not a problem. And that's what we ended up doing. So basically one project over a couple of months paid for the plasma cutter that's next to me here. Now, if I never would have asked them about more project details, I never would have gotten this plasma cutter. And that's something to keep in mind. Whenever you have a project, big or small, talk to the customer, find out what their pain points are, and ask them, if we did this, would that add value to the overall project? Because more often than not, the answer is yes.